Biting my nails, running my feet against the carpet, trying to inhale so I can float instead of falling. I'm running scared, feeling like a moving target. Oh, 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 oh. It's a minefield in my mind, and I'm headed for destruction. Mama, tell me it's alright.
Hey guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm super excited about today's video. I'm doing two looks using one palette, and I'm using the Huda Beauty new Nude palette, and I just wanted to use different colors in this palette and just show you guys two very different looks that you can create using this palette. So that's enough rambling from me, but if you guys want to see how I achieved these looks, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So this is the palette here, and I think that the packaging on this palette is super beautiful and super versatile shades in this palette, and definitely a palette that you can use to do day makeup or night makeup, simple makeup or dramatic makeup. So the first look that I'm going to show you guys is this very neutral simple eye look, and one of you guys requested this in the comment section down below, so I just thought that I would create it for you guys. First, I'm priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm just applying this all over my eyelid and then setting it with some translucent powder. For my brow bone highlight, I'm putting my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 on my brow bone. Next, I'm picking up this shade right here called Teddy, and in the pan it looks like a light brown sand-ish color, but on the eye it came on a little bit more pink, which I didn't mind. It was still a very beautiful shade and it's still super neutral. So I'm just buffing that into my crease, and I did slowly build some color up there, but it's still a very light wash of shadow, and it's nothing too dramatic, nothing too crazy. And then I'm also going to be going in with an angled brush and just kind of adding a little bit more definition into the crease, which you will see in the next clip here. And I'm just going in left and right motions like I normally do, and then going in with the fluffy brush and blending out this line. And this is just going to give us a nice definition and just add more depth to the crease. Next, I'm picking up my angled brush and some more Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just starting to carve the eyelid and just patting it over the rest of my lid just to add a nice even base. Next, I'm picking up this shade right here called Crave, and first I went in with my finger and applied it all over my eyelid, and I feel like that's the best way to work with the metallic shades in this palette. I also used a flat brush to blend the outer corners after I applied it with my finger, just because when I apply it with my finger it doesn't really apply it in a very precise way, so I go in with a brush just to drag it into those corners that my finger couldn't drag it into. And then I just picked up the shade that we applied in the crease and I diffused it onto the outer corner. For lashes, I applied my Shop Sofie Bella Barbados lashes, and then going in with the same color that we applied in the crease, I'm also applying that onto my lower lash line, and then just applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then the last step for this look is just to apply some Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my inner tear duct, and also a little bit more on my brow bone. And that's the finished look for this first look. Super quick, super easy to achieve, but it definitely is still really precise and really sharp. So I hope you guys liked this first look. I also applied some bar soap on my spoolie and through my brow, which is one of my favorite things to do. But if you guys want to see the second look that I achieved using this palette, then please keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing for the second look is doing the same thing, just priming my eyelids. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, buffing it out with a damp beauty sponge and setting it with some translucent powder. And then for my brow bone highlight, going in with my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 once again. And for this second look, I wanted to make it more dramatic. I wanted to make it more smoky. I wanted to bring more drama. So I'm going in with more of the maroon and purple shades. So I picked up this shade here called Lace, and this is going to be our transition shade. I'm just pretty much buffing this into my crease and slowly building color in the crease. And then the next shade that I'm going into is the darkest purple shade in the palette, and I'm going to be starting to add definition into my crease, how I did in a similar way to the first look. Going in with that angled brush and just really going in left and right motions and drawing out that crease line. To blend out that line, I'm picking up this dark maroon shade. It's a few shades lighter than the shade that we applied originally to the crease, so it's perfect to blend out that line. And I'm using a very small tapered brush, and I'm just going in left and right motions directly over that line, and that's a really good way to just diffuse the crease and add more dimension to the look. And then I'm going in with an angled brush and some more Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm just starting to carve my lid. So next I'm picking up this shade here called Charmed, and first I'm going to be applying this shade with my finger and then using the brush to diffuse the edges and get it into the spaces that I couldn't reach with my finger. So I wanted to do a halo eye for this look, so I went in with the darkest purple shade and this pencil brush, and I'm just starting to add depth to the inner and outer corner and just really laying it down. Definitely going in with less product first and then slowly building and building, because if you apply too much product, it's really hard to save the look. But if you apply less product and then slowly build it, I just feel like that's the best way to achieving depth. And then I'm also picking up an angled brush and winging it out with the same dark purple shadow. And I also did apply it onto my lash line. And then I picked up my Schwing liner by the Balm, and I'm just applying a very small sharp wing and still leaving that purple shadow visible over top of it, so it gives it a smoky look. And then I applied my Shop Sofie Bella Barbados lashes once again, and then I'm going into the same shades that we applied in the crease. So first the light purple transition color, and then going in with the darker maroon shade, and then going in with the darkest purple shade as close to the lower lash line as possible, and also blending all those shades into each other throughout every step. Next, I'm applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara onto my lower lashes, and then applying my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my inner tear duct, and also a little bit more on my brow bone. And that's pretty much the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. The winner of this month's giveaway is Tisheena Curry. Thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting our channel. If you guys want to be entered for next month's giveaway, then just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, so turn on the bell button, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!